Pale Kids Sapphires that I got. Defron, what's happening? How are you? Alan, good luck, man. Let's find the Atom Bomb. Have not seen one yet. Let's make it the one-of-one parallel. Here we go. All right. That would be amazing. Dead Ted. Chris Hiss. Flipping on over, we've got Ugly. And then there is Atom Bomb. First one we've seen. There's the Atom Bomb. We need to see the one-on-one parallel now. All right, Cranky Frankie. The All-In Al. Or, All-In Al. Or maybe it's Ale-In Al. Maybe I can read next time. Ale-In Al. He's all in. Leaky Lou, I'm thinking about poker. Muggin Megan. All-In Al. I kind of like All-In Al better, though. Uzi Susie. April Showers. But we got Melton Melissa. And then Cracked Jack. All-In Al. All-In Alan. Drunk Ken. I wish I had a friend named Ken. I would send him that picture. All right, next up we've got Zach Plack. Kennel Kenny. And then the Geeky Gary. Michelle Muck. Disgustin' Justin. Next up is Lukewarm. And then a Dizzy Dave. Nice. Looney Lenny. Rappin' Ruth. Sewer Sue. And then Busted Bob. Where are these numbered parallels? Savage Stewart. Another Atom Bomb. So you got two of them. Same box. Nutty Nicole and the Nervous Rex. And last one. Anna Banana. Sicky Vicky. And no numbered parallels in this one. Drippy Dan and then Itchy Richie. But you did get two Atom Bombs. Alright, number 2. Busted Bob is how I feel during this pandemic lockdown. The one-of-one version is, yes. Alright, we've got a Heavin' Steven, Jason Basin. Next up is Harry Mary, and then Booze and Bruce. That is so great. I love that. Booze and Bruce. All right, next up, we've got Split Kit, Flat Pat. Next up is TV Stevie, and then Disgustin' Justin. And next up, Wrinkled Rita, Virus Iris. We got a Leaky Lindsay and Blasted Billy. Looks just like the Atom Bomb. Bonnie Bunny. The Acne Amy. Next up is Double Heather. And then a Rundown Rada. Joltin' Joe. Cactus Carol. All right, we got a gold coming up here, I do believe. Is it? No, never mind. It was upside down. Sorry. 1 of 99. All right, we got a Carotid Carl and Cracked Jack. And again, that one is numbered 1 of 99. Spacey Stacy, Ghastly Ashley, Graffiti Petey, and Mark Bark. Hey, what's up, man? How are you? Next up is Buggy Betty, Chard Chad, Evil Eddie, and then we've got a Cheeky Charles. And our last pack. Finish this one up. Box number 2 overall. Ray Decay. Pegleg Peter. Art Gallery. And a Boney Joni. Round out box number 2. Alright, let me see what he wants to do here. Last one. Al, if you want me to send you the boxes on this to try to contact, I know it says it's supposed to get 2 parallels. The first box did not have any, and then that last box had 1. If you want me to send you the box, I'll be happy to. Jolted Joel, Wacky Jackie. We got a Bugged Bert and a Furry Fran. Do not have any Spectre football, no. The list what I have is below on Breakers TV. Slimy Sam, Mona Loser. We've got the Mixed Up Mitch and Cyndi Lauper. That's awesome. There's the Blasted Billy. Looks like the Atom Bomb. Karate Carl. Slobby Robbie. And then Frigid Bridget. Next up is Bad Brad. New Wave Dave. A Shrunken Ed. And Rachel Rodent. Rundown Rhoda. Mad Mike. Next up is Crater Chris. And Willatina. I don't really know enough about this. If these are variations or what they are. They have to be variations. Brian Bryan. I'm sure some of them are pretty rare too. Alright, this is out of 50. It is Brutal Bridget. Green parallel. And then we have a New Wave Dave. And Marty Mouthful. Doug Plug. Art Apart. Next up is Slain Wayne. And Brutal Bridget. Our final pack. Round this on out with a Ashcan Andy, Dead Fred, Upchuck, and Art Gallery. And that is the purple parallel numbered to 10. 7 of 10 on that one. All right, buddy. I appreciate it as always. Again, if you want me to ship you the boxes for the ones that was shorted, I'll be happy to do that with the wrappers. And again, I will get this all out ASAP.